Hello, welcome to Complex Tutorials. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to pause a frame by frame animation. So let's begin. So you open your Adobe Flash, and last time we said we would click on Action Script 3.0 to do a new animation. I'm using the Animator workspace, so you might want to choose that if you want to work closely with me, or if you're familiar with your own workspace. The tools are the same, so let's begin. Alright, so what we can do is import images into Flash, and to do that we can click File, Import to Stage or to Library. Import to Stage would bring whatever you want to import straight to your stage. So I'm going to import a logo that I created. You can resize your image by clicking on the free transform tool and then resize it rather. So I want mine to be that size. I'm then going to move this off the stage like so, just off the stage, and you notice I'm on frame 1. Now I want to insert or copy the same thing that is on frame 1 to frame 2, so I can click on frame 2 and press F6 or click Insert Timeline Keyframe, or I can simply right click on frame 2 and click Insert Keyframe. What that does is copy what is on the previous frame to the current one. I click on onion skin so I can see where my previous image was. I then slide the current one a bit forward, right click on frame 3, insert keyframe, or press F6 to copy what's on the previous frame. I then slide it a bit forward, and I'm going to keep doing that until I get all the way across the page. So right click, insert keyframe, and just slide it a bit in each time. You can make yours a bit more uniform by looking at the distance that you slide it, so it doesn't appear to be dragging but rather sliding smoothly. So I'm going to keep doing that. I remember you can use the F6 key to copy what's on the previous frame rather than right clicking like me. I'm just doing it so you can see what I'm doing. So what we're doing basically is I'm going to show you how to pause keyframes or make specific keyframes slower than the rest. Hmm? Ask mommy. Alright, so now that my image is off the stage across the screen, going across the screen. So I started off the stage and I right click on each frame and click insert keyframe to copy the previous frame and then slide the image across each time. Now you can use the comma or slide this pink thing to manually see what the animation looks like. It looks a bit blurry because I have the onion skin on, so if I take that off, you'll only see what's on the current frame. So you can slide this pink thing here to see manually navigate through the animation, or you can press the comma or the full stop. The comma goes backwards, and the full stop goes forward. Right. Now, if you click on, say, when we press Ctrl Enter, we will notice that the animation just slides straight across the screen and it's difficult to see. So what we can do is we can extend, say for example, the middle frame. So when it gets here, we want it to pause or stop for a while. So what we can do then is click in the middle or wherever you would want it to pause or stop, and press F5 a few times. I'm gonna press it a good amount of times, and then let's play through that to see. Control Enter. So you can see that it stops and then move on. And then you on entry, when it gets visible, a full visible range, you can probably stop it there. So press F5 again to extend it, and then at the end, probably there or there, press F5 again to extend it a few times, and then Control Enter. Experiment with that and see what you can come up with.